1G, and for today's video, I will talk about the computer organization. So, as an office worker, I am tasked to search for keys and assemble a high-spec computer with a price ranging from 60 to 100K. So in order to build and assemble a high-spec computer is for us to have a faster, easier, and efficient process of work. So here are the following requirements compiled that the office needed. So we have the system unit peripherals and devices and the other devices. So the system unit peripherals and devices are the tower case, motherboard, hard drive, network extension adapter, CPU, GPU, power supply, RAM, and heatsink. The other devices are the monitor, keyboard, mouse, headset, and the camera. So here we have created the table of specifications where we have the devices, specification, purpose, and the price. So in devices, we will talk about the component of the computer. So what are the components that made the computer have to run it better? So in the specification, we have a detailed information. What is the better to purchase? So here in the purposes of why we choose that component of computer and so that we can have a better understanding and information about that computer. So the price. So how much it will cost? It can be very expensive or it's just good for the quality to be purchased. So the number one is the tower case. The brand that I choose is the Legionnaire PC case because it is the best tower overall. So the tower case specification. So here we have the purpose. I chose this because I think in order to safeguard all the important and expensive parts of a PC or the other computing device. The price ranging also, it is 6,040.65 pesos. So our number two is the motherboard. So the brand I choose is Asus AM4 Pro X570. It is the best overall motherboard. So here is the motherboard specification. So the purpose I choose is this because it is important to have a pro motherboard in your computer to have efficient access. So this is honestly it is the most costest. It is 19,000 with a price ranging 19,935.14 pesos. It's much more expensive for a motherboard. It's really a high-spec motherboard. And so here are number three, the hard drive. So the brand I choose is the Seagate Barracuda. It is the best overall hard drive also. It has the interface, the hard drive specification. So I choose this hard drive because it's the best for long-term file storage or network attached storage on NAS servers to ensure your file safety. So it is a high-spec hard drive. So with a price ranging 1,815.60 pesos. Number 4 is the network extension adapter. So I choose the network extension adapter brand is the TP-Link RE700X. Why? Because it is the best Wi-Fi extended overall. Network extension adapter specification. So I choose this TP-Link RE700X because the best Wi-Fi extenders can boost your router's signals in order to extend each reach and give you better Wi-Fi coverage. So the TP-Link RE700X has the price ranging 6,567.07 pesos. Number 5 is the CPU or the Central Processing Unit. I choose the brand Intel Xeon because it is the best overall CPU. With a specification, I choose this because Intel Xeon is practically built for workstations computers. The large number of cores and advanced RAM functions give it enough processing power and speed to handle the most intensive creative applications. So Intel Xeon has a price ranging 2,916.00 pesos. So number 6, GPU. The brand I chose is the Asus GTX 1050 Ti Phonex 4GB DRR5 GPU specification. And I choose this because in order to have easier access, we need the software-defined approach to virtualization in the data center that delivers scalability, data security, and simplified manageability. So the Asus GTX 1050 Ti Phonex 4GB DRR5 has the price ranging of 2,259 pesos. So number 7, power supply. The brand that I choose is the EVGA Supernova G Plus 650W, an excellent value PSU for under $100. Power supply specification, and I choose this because the EVGA Supernova G6 power supply featured a new platform design using new materials and better layout placement to achieve greater performance with extremely low ripple and noise is an even smaller chassis. So the EVGA Supernova G Plus 650W has the price ranging of 5,216.85 pesos. So number 8, RAM or the random access memory. And the brand I choose is the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 3200 CL16 RAM. So the RAM specification, and I choose this because this RAM has robust heat spreaders that maximize cooling for higher overclocking and faster performance. The Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 3200 CL16 RAM has the price ranging of 3,184.81 pesos. So number 9 is the heatsink. The brand I choose is the Noctua NHD15 Chromax, the best overall CPU cooling fan. It has the heatsink specification, and I choose this because in order to computer can last longer, we need the best CPU cooling fan with great access that can cool faster the heat of the computer. So the Noctua NHD15 Chromax has the price ranging of 6,038.45 pesos. So here is the total price ranging of our task that we manage of a high-spec computer. So we have the 96,494.58 pesos with a high specification of 210% and the good quality of 100%, and the cheaper price is the 50%. So here is my conclusion. The top advantages of high-performance computers are their capacity to store more information and instructions. Memory is a crucial component since computer to access several apps and concurrent processes more storage also allows the computer to store more data to later use. So that's all the computer organizations and the higher spec recommendations of computers. Thank you.